guys, this is my sprunki ok. Her name is Glittery Yu Bun Bun. She's 128,363,836,328 years old. She hates Wenda 'cause she takes Gray away from her. One day Wenda tried to kill her, but she reversed her and killed her. Every boy has a crush on her, but she only likes Gray 'cause he is so skibidi sigma alpha. Gray and Glittery Yu Bun Bun are dating and Wenda is jealous. Lol, Wenda stay mad xxx. She also hates Pinky 'cause she stole her design. She doesn't only like Gray, she also likes Brud 'cause he is a cutie pie and so sigma like Gray. Brud, Gray and Glittery Yu Bun Bun are a poly couple xxx. If this gets 0 likes or higher, I'll make her horror version. She hates Veneria 'cause she's green like the boogers I pick from my nose. Oh, I wasn't supposed to say I pick my sigma alpha nose. Anyway, I'm gonna stop yapping and watch me do my sigma sprunky character and I'll come back xxx. She used to be all pink, then Pinky came into Sprunky and Pinky was mad, so then she dyed half of herself purple xxx. She's half kitty, so she purrs every time someone touches or pets her. I'm tired of talking, so I'll stop yapping for the rest of the vid xxx. Oh no, my mom said she's gonna whip my giant 'cause of this. Mommy, please don't whip my giant or my balls.
I won't if you stop doing this.
But mommy, it's my hobby, please see. Why, mommy, ouchie, that hurts you giant sigma, my giant hurts wah.